Hello, my name is Lady Alejandra Pinzon Torres. The best place is spend summer vacation in Santa Marta. My last vacation was in Santa Marta. I was on the beach with my mother, my two sisters, my cousin, and boyfriend. I stayed in Buritaca for 5 days. The weather was amazing and people were very friendly. I like it because was cheap. I only paid $1 million. I like it because there are many places to visit, such as the tourist place of Tayrona Park, and I want and like it to most with Taganga Beach. I hope to visit TCI again for my next birthdays. To know the weather is incredible. It is presently warm and good breeze. Aquarium, Buceo and Tayrona Park. Recommendations. It is recommended that people wear sunscreen. It is important to wear comfortable clothes. It is necessary to wear anti-air caps. It is important not to wear accessories that might be lost. It is important to wear sunglasses. It is necessary to bring 4 footwears. It is important to bring liquid air to hydrate. It is a good idea. I have a cell phone line and water is not drip. Thank you.